A lot of times in physics, you're going to be asked to solve problems that have systems of equations. So let's do a quick problem together. Hopefully you've already answered it. So let's go through the solution for a system of two equations with two unknowns. We're given that negative 4x plus 2y is equal to 2, and also that x plus 2y is equal to 7. So the way that I'm going to solve this problem, there's a bunch of different ways you can solve it. You can do combination, you can do substitution, do matrices or determinants, or you can do graphing. Graphing's horrible, it's inaccurate. Matrices and determinants, if you remember how to do that, you probably don't need to watch this video. But let's go through combination. I think it's going to be the easiest. So I'm going to rewrite my two equations. Negative 4x plus 2y is equal to 2. And now I'm going to write the second equation, but I'm going to multiply through by negative 1 first. So x times negative 1 is negative x minus 2y because of the negative 1 and minus 7. So this equation and that equation are the same. I just multiplied by minus 1. I multiplied by minus 1. So now I have two equations, again with two unknowns, same two equations. Now I'm going to combine them. I'm going to write down all of the stuff on the right and all of the stuff on the left. So negative 4x plus 2y minus x minus 2y, oops, I screwed up, minus 4x plus 2y. Okay, minus x minus 2y's is equal to 2 minus 7. All the stuff on the left, all the stuff on the right gives me a combined equation, combination of this equation. All right, now I have minus 4x minus x. This 2y will cancel with the minus 2y, and that's actually why I multiplied through by minus 1, is I saw that this 2y I wanted to cancel with, or this 2y I wanted to cancel with this 2y. Eliminate y out of the equation, so I have one equation with one unknown. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So minus 5x, I have minus 4x's, and another minus 1x gives me minus 5x is equal to minus 5. Or x is equal to 1. So one of our variables is x equals 1. Now I can substitute this back into one of my equations. This equation looks nice. So I'm going to use my second equation here. I have x equals 1 plus 2y is equal to 7. Or 2y is equal to 7 minus 1. 2y is equal to 6, or y is equal to 3. And at that point, x equals 1, y equals 3 gives me my two values, one for x, one for y, that satisfy both these equations. We can go through and check. We know this equation works. We just figured it out. So let's plug in this equation. Minus 4 plus 6, minus 4 plus 6 gives me 2. That checks. That gives me the answer of 2. So this equation, using x equal 1 and y equal 3, satisfies both of these equations, or it's a solution to this two equations with two unknowns.